You save money, but somehow, it still feels less. Your bank account says you are doing great. You keep saving again and again. And watching your balance grow feels good. So you relax, thinking your money is safe. Time passes, days, months, even years. You finally check your savings. Wait, why doesn't it feel like more? Because prices have gone up. Everything is getting more expensive. What cost 100 rupees before is now 120 rupees. So what's happening? This is called inflation. It slowly reduces your money's power. Meanwhile, your bank gives low interest. Inflation grows faster than your savings. That's why you are losing value, even though your money looks safe. So what's the solution? Start learning about investing. Investing helps your money grow. Think of it like planting a seed. There are many simple options. Even beginners can start small. The key is patience. Growth happens slowly, but surely. And beats just saving money. Now you are in control. Savings keep you safe, investing helps you grow. You need both. Because money must grow over time. Or it quietly loses value. Start small, but start today.